Alright, let me tell you something, guys. What if I told you there's a legit way people are making money online? Not by selling anything, not by coding, but simply by helping train AI systems. I have been preaching about this for a long time. The same AI tools that are taking over your jobs right now. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about another platform that is paying people right now to train AI, how it works, how people are earning from it, and most importantly, how you can get started even if you are using just your phone. The best part, you can do this from anywhere. And please don't skip this video because there are small details people ignore that actually determine whether you get accepted or rejected. Before we dive in, if you're someone looking for remote opportunities, ways to earn online, or looking for a flexible income, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post videos like this consistently to help you stay ahead. Now let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Opportunities on this platform can change. Availability depends on your profile and location, and earnings are not guaranteed. Always do your own research and apply wisely. The name of this platform is OneForma AI. So first of all, what exactly is OneForma? OneForma AI is a platform that connects everyday people like you and me to AI training jobs. These are tasks that help improve artificial intelligence systems. Things like voice recognition, search engines, translation tools, and even chatbots. Now here's the interesting part. AI is not as smart as people think. It actually depends on humans to train it, and that's where you come in. Companies need real people to record voice samples, transcribe audio, label images, evaluate search results, and test AI responses, and they are willing to pay for it. Now let's talk about the type of jobs you will find on OneForma. You're not applying for one fixed job. Instead, you see different projects and you can apply to the ones that fit you. Some of the most common ones include data annotation jobs, where you label data like tagging images or categorizing text. Transcribing projects, where you listen to audio and type what you hear. Voice recording tasks, which are very beginner friendly and involve reading sentences or speaking naturally. And internet judging or search evaluation, where you evaluate how accurate search results are, and this one usually pays better but may require passing a test. Now I want to be real with you, this is not a get rich quick platform. If you're expecting to make thousands overnight, you will be disappointed. But if you treat this as a smart side income, especially if you're consistent, it can add up, and more importantly, it opens the door into the AI space. You want to go to Google and type in OneForma, oneforma.com. This is the homepage of OneForma.com. Join their diverse global community of experts. They have about 1.8 million members, 300 plus languages, 222 markets, and 20,000 plus projects. The type of job you can do on this platform include annotation, data collection, judging, transcription, translation. OneForma offers a range of flexible opportunities in AI, from simpler tasks to more comprehensive work streams. They have some open opportunities right now in these categories: annotation, data collection. So how to get started is to join by creating a profile, add your skills, language, and work experience. You get certified by validating your expertise with specialized Gen AI certifications. I've made a video about how to get free certifications, how to get free AI training skills. The video is up there. You can go watch that video, go and get these skills. First of all, learn the skills. Then if you're serious about earning online, you should get one or two certifications. Match with the right opportunity, you contribute to AI innovation, and you start earning. So get started, click on get started, allow it to verify. It brings you to this page. This is where the whole thing starts. Okay, so to get started, to join them, you start with your full name. Okay, you're going to use your legal full name for ID verification. Yes, you need to use the name that is in your passport. If you're using passport, if you're using national ID, whatever ID you're using, make sure the name you're going to put here tallies with the name on your ID, okay? And make sure that the ID has your full name, your full legal name in English. So use English version, otherwise use your local language or use English version. Another thing I found out is that it is open to all countries. I checked it out. Nigeria has always been my headache on this channel. But yeah, I found Nigeria here on this channel. So enter your country where you are, okay, so that you can be able to verify your ID. If you use a different country, let's say you enter US, let's say you enter Canada, or your passport says otherwise, unless you're based in Canada and you can prove your address when if it comes to that. But put your country of residence. Okay, put your country of residence, right? It's available. So wherever you are, if you're in Nigeria, it's available for you to sign up. I'm tired of you guys complaining. This is available in Nigeria. This is available worldwide. It is, unless you're not ready to earn online. So this is available everywhere. It's available in Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Gambia. It's available. Then choose your email, choose a password. You read the privacy, terms of use, cookie policy, informed consent form. Read all of them. Then you sign up. Obi, on your passport, which one is the first name? Is it an H? So after you sign up, it's going to ask you to install an authenticator app like Google or Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile or tablet. Then you're going to then open your authenticator app, tap the plus symbol and select other accounts using your device's camera. Then scan the QR code below. Guys, don't scan this one, no. This one is my own, don't scan it. Then you enter the verification code that displays. This page will expire in 2 minutes, okay? So I've been able to enable my MFA, okay? I've enabled my MFA, and it says, thank you for protecting our OneForma account. Make sure your account is always protected by securing your account with your recovery code. It will also be stored in the security section of your account. So it says that my account is secure and ready. It says you will now be asked to fill out your profile. You will need to complete this step to find and apply for new jobs, okay? So they have option for you to upload your CV, and they also have another option for you to fill in manually. So I think it's better for you to fill it in manually, but if you have your CV, feel free to fill in your CV here. And you do your about section, skills and education, work experience, languages. The reason why uploading CV is also good is because it will autofill these informations for you. But if you're doing it manually, you have to do it one by one. Let me walk you through how to get started step by step. One step is to create your own account. Go to the OneForma website and sign up using your real details because verification matters. Step 2 is to complete your profile. This is where most people mess up. Fill in your language skills, your country, and your experience. Even basic skills count. The more complete your profile is, the more projects you qualify for. Step 3, take certifications. Some projects require you to pass short tests. Don't be scared of this. Take your time, read instructions carefully, and retry if needed. Step 4, apply for multiple projects. Don't sit and wait after applying for one. Apply for at least 5 to 10 projects to increase your chances of getting accepted. Now, here's something very important most people don't talk about. Consistency beats talent on platforms like this. You might get rejected from some projects. That's normal. But if you keep applying, improving your profile, and completing tasks well, you start getting invited to better paying opportunities. Let's talk about how much you can actually earn. Some tasks pay a few dollars, others pay hourly rates. On average, beginners might earn between $20 to $100 per week, depending on availability and effort. But experienced users who qualify for higher level projects can earn more. Again, this depends on your location, your language, and your consistency. Now, let me give you some real actionable tips to succeed on OneForma. Tip 1, check your dashboard daily because new projects come and go quickly. Tip 2, join their email notifications so you don't miss opportunities. Tip 3, be accurate, not fast, because if your work quality is poor, you can get removed from projects. Tip 4, Use a quiet environment, especially for voice tasks, because background noise can get your submission rejected. 5. Keep learning AI skills. Don't just do tasks blindly. Understand what you're doing so you can grow into higher paying roles. Now, I want to shift your mindset for a second. This is bigger than just making money online. We are in a time where AI is growing very fast, and instead of being replaced by AI, you can position yourself to work with it. Platforms like OneForma are giving you early access to that opportunity, so don't ignore it. Even if you start small, you're building experience in a field that is only going to grow. If you've made it this far, comment below AI money so I know you're serious about taking advantage of these opportunities. Now, let me leave you with this. A lot of people are waiting for the perfect job, but smart people are stacking small opportunities that eventually create big results. You don't need to wait. You can start where you are with your phone, your internet, and your willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more videos on remote jobs, AI opportunities, and ways to earn online safely. And I will see you in the next video.